My name is Marika Rossi, and I'm one of the math teachers at Cypress. I love math. I always have. I love finding connections. I love finding sequences, patterns, and one of the best things about being a teacher is I get to spread that appreciation for numbers to my students. In my classroom, we follow the growth mindset belief, and that's the belief that everybody can learn math. There's lots of ways to get from point A to point B. And one of my favorite things as a teacher is to listen to students share how they solve problems, especially if they're able to solve them in a different way. I like hearing students have that aha moment together or share a way that they solved a problem and watch the eyes light up of another student who is understanding it for the first time. When I plan my classes, I follow the Common Core state standards. I always break my class into, I always have an agenda in my class, and I break those standards into reasonable goals. So we'll have a daily goal, we'll have an essential question that will drive our investigation or whatever we're learning. And most importantly, I like to refer to the 8 mathematic practices. These practices are the same from kindergarten through 8th grade. So I feel like it's important for students to see that unity in their math journey, that these same practices that they've been hearing about since they were about 5 years old continues with them through high school, so that they learn how to understand and persevere logic and reasoning, etc. I just think it's really important that they see that these are used every single day, even though they're now in high school. And lastly, this is what an investigation or a typical unit would look like in my class. I like to start students with an investigation. I give them numbers, scenarios, and different stuff for them to numbers and stuff for them just to kind of play with whatever we're learning. I give them time to collaborate, to find commonalities, conclusions, patterns together, and then I step in and I help synthesize and bring it all together. And then lastly, I like to end all units with a project or some sort of real life application so they can see where they will actually use this math in their real life. And lastly, Cypress is a wonderful place to work at. I love the students, the staff, and I hope to meet you soon.